Imagine going a day without breakfast, or perhaps even lunch. Now imagine this isn't due to a lack of resources, but a deliberate decision to enhance your health and longevity. This is intermittent fasting, or IF, a practice that's as ancient as it is modern, intersecting traditional wisdom with contemporary scientific inquiry. Intermittent fasting isn't merely a diet trend. It's a scientifically backed approach to eating that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. Studies suggest that it can lead to weight loss, improved metabolic health, and even an extended lifespan. The most popular formats include the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 method, involving normal eating 5 days and reduced calorie intake on 2 non-consecutive days. While fasting might seem against the eat many small meals school of thought, it boasts support from various scientific studies. These studies highlight improvements in blood sugar control, insulin sensitivity, and reductions in inflammation. However, fasting isn't for everyone. Critics argue that it can lead to unhealthy eating behaviors and stress over food timing, emphasizing that more long-term studies are needed to fully understand its impacts. Nevertheless, the growing interest in fasting is undeniable. It links back to practices seen in many ancient cultures, where fasting was often part of religious rituals or health regimens. This blending of ancient tradition with modern research creates a compelling narrative for its effectiveness, albeit one that should be approached with personal adaptability and scientific guidance. The mighty avocado, a nutrient powerhouse. Avocados are not just trendy, they're packed with health benefits. This buttery fruit is high in healthy fats, like monounsaturated fat, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, thereby improving heart health. It's also rich in vitamins E, K, C, and B6, along with riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and potassium. Moreover, they're loaded with fiber and natural antioxidants. Despite their nutrient richness, avocados have been criticized for their environmental impact, including high water usage and deforestation concerns, primarily when sourced from places where these practices are poorly regulated. When embracing avocados as a superfood, it's thus crucial to consider their origin and the sustainability of farming practices. Balanced consumption, aligned with ethical sourcing, is key to enjoying the avocado's benefits without contributing excessively to environmental degradation. On the flip side, avocados can contribute to a balanced diet, contributing to better overall health. The inclusion of avocados in the diet has been associated with reduced inflammation in the body, better digestion thanks to their fiber content, and even aiding in maintaining a healthy weight due to their satiety-inducing fat content. Non-stick pans, a staple in modern kitchens, are hailed for their convenience and lower need for cooking oils. However, they come with health concerns related to the chemicals used in their coating, like perfluorinated chemicals, which have been linked to several health problems, including liver, kidney, and testicular cancer. Despite these risks, non-stick cookware manufacturers have evolved their products to be safer and free from perfluorooctanoic acid, one of the main harmful chemicals previously used. Consumers are urged to handle these products with care, avoiding overheating and using utensils that don't scratch the non-stick surface, thereby reducing the risk of ingesting harmful particles. Critics of non-stick pans point to alternatives like stainless steel, ceramic, or cast iron, which do not carry the same health risks, but may require more oils for cooking and can be less convenient. The choice often depends on individual health priorities and cooking preferences, highlighting the need to balance convenience with potential health risks. Ayurveda, a several thousand-year-old system of medicine originating from India, emphasizes the balance between mind, body, and spirit. It prescribes holistic treatments based on specific physical and mental constitutions, aiming to prevent disease and promote longevity. Recent interest in Ayurveda has surged as individuals seek alternatives to Western medicine's often symptom-focused approach. Ayurveda offers a personalized health regimen, including diet adjustments, herbal treatments, and lifestyle changes tailored to individual doshas. However, scientific scrutiny of Ayurveda remains mixed, with concerns about the effectiveness and safety of some herbal treatments not being thoroughly tested. Despite these concerns, the principles of Ayurveda, including the emphasis on a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress reduction, can be universally acknowledged as foundational to good health. Integrating these practices into daily life can provide a complementary approach to modern medical treatments and a guide towards more comprehensive health and wellness.